Hong Kong has been home for a while, and I've loved sharing all the details with you. From the bustling markets, epic city views, rich culture and history, and of course the food. But I realized after living here for over 2 years, I had skipped out on one pretty important detail: my actual home in this incredible city. So let's take a trip up to mid-levels and get a look at my apartment. This place has been my escape, and my husband and I spent a lot of time and effort personalizing the space. That can be challenging as an expat that changes countries frequently, but it makes the place feel like a home, not just transitional. I fell in love with this building and this apartment for how peaceful and green it was, and of course the sweeping views of Hong Kong's skyline and lush hills. Okay, so better late than never, but let me give you guys the tour. So let's start in the living room, which is full of stuff we collected from Morocco, Turkey, and Lebanon. And I think one of the things I really loved about the design in this place is the way that we personalized it, but also the way that all the colors and textures kind of came together. And it looked like a little bit odd at first, but we just trusted the process. So we had these kind of teal chairs and these, velvety pillows that I got in Lebanon. And I didn't know what apartment we were moving into when I got these pillows. I was just like, I'm just gonna go with what I'm feeling. And I did kind of tie it into the rug, at least. This is our Turkish rug, so I feel like the kind of colors in the rug and the pillows play together really nicely. And then these chairs we ended up getting here, and it just kind of works really well with the space. Over here we have this neutral couch, which, I loved a white couch, but I think that the neutral just kind of warms everything up. And then these are the other Lebanese pillows that I got for the living room. Again, I was just thinking about when I bought these color combinations in the rug. I knew this was a living room rug, and I knew these would be living room pillows. So it just kind of worked out that these colors and these textures go together really nicely. And these were custom made from a vendor in Lebanon. And you guys have seen this corner a lot in the background of all my videos, but this is my little Beirut corner. So this is just some paint, really pretty portraits and stuff that we got when we were in Beirut. Those kind of remind us of how much we love the place and some of the iconic things about it. I do miss Beirut. It was really just an amazing experience. So I'm so happy we got to experience it. And then this is a little chair and table set from a local company. Just really, really pretty details and a nice little accent situation. And this is one of my favorite things in the house, actually. I think it's actually both of our favorite things in the house. It's this old portrait of New York City, but it's before 9/11, so you can see the old skyline with the Twin Towers. And we're both from New York, so it's just super nostalgic for us. And again, just more art for the New York people. So that is my Queens map. That is hubby's Brooklyn map. We are ride or die New Yorkers. Coming down around into the guest bedroom, which TBH, it is usually not this meticulously clean, but we do have a guest coming tomorrow, which is why I am filming it today. Okay, and then coming down around now into the master, we have more art. This is the first painting I've ever bought. I got it at my first Art Basel. It's from Lauren Rinaldi. And then we have this rug that I got in Morocco that my husband almost killed me for because We had to drag it back, like basically roll it up like a body bag. It was ridiculous, but we made it, and I love this rug. It is just so like plushy, it's so squishy, just like really, really nice for the bedroom, I think. And my husband did not want us to hang anything over the bed because he just has this fear of like it falling off or an earthquake happening or something, and then whatever is above our heads will like crack our skulls, which is a valid fear. I don't love how empty it looks up there, but it's fine. And then again, this is like another like Lebanese pillow combo that I got from the same vendor. So this really oversized like white one, and then coming into just some like mixed muted greens and then like a nice sage velvet. I just thought the combo was really pretty. It feels super luxe when you're like lounging in bed. We do have like normal pillows behind there that we sleep on as well. So there's 8 pillows on my bed, and my husband thinks that's insane. But I just think it looks really pretty and it's really cozy. And again, the view just like wraps around, which I just love this. I love having this view everywhere I look in this apartment, and all the light. It's just like, it's so nice. It's my favorite thing. I'm gonna miss this so much. Now let's check out the rest of the building, and my first disclaimer while I'm at it. Hong Kong real estate is extraordinarily expensive, and we only got to live here because of our very generous expat package. The building features a lounge area with vending machines, a gorgeous pool, a well-equipped gym with a sauna, and an outdoor playground. And right out the back is a hiking trail that leads straight up to the peak. Which brings me to my second disclaimer. The only reason I'm showing this place in such detail is because I moved. It's never safe to broadcast your home to the entire internet, so while I wanted to do this video for a while, I waited until I felt safe doing so. So if you're curious about where I am now, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.